Alright, so we're at the barbershop right now that I built. And this looks so realistic than my other barbershop. I put a door, windows here, ladders over here, backyard, grasses on the ground. So here we are at the air conditioner. This one's a heat pump. These two are street tools. So we'll take a look at this Bryant here. So we have a 2019 Bryant SENTRY air conditioner running. Just started up. And over here we have a 2008 Carrier SENTRY air conditioner. These both are running at the same time, but not really because they shut down even differently. They went and the quarter bars system recorded, looks good. The quarter bar looks clean. Compressor. These are Bryant fan motors over here. Bryant SENTRY, people on SENTRY. These are the good, one's pretty good right here. It's got an EMERSON scroll. Especially it's the same thing. This one box, and this one is shut down already. I believe that Bryant just shut down here. And this one is running. Over here we have a Carrier performance. That's for electric, it's a heat pump. I do love that Carrier besides that motor over here. Now you got a defrost on it, and the suction line is always closing. And the data is from 2024. It's a 510. Most of the computer says 5 tons, but not really because of the 4 ton. This one is still running over here. So their energy dot is yellow, so I had to make it as yellow. This over here, we noticed the quarter bars, they have a different air conditioning unit. Because that's well, it's actually built by International Comfort Productions. So this one is probably a grander domestic legacy or a higher unit. But I built the Carrier right here, which is filmed by Andrew Beavish from ICTs. And now there goes the shutdown again. It's got a EMERSON COPELAND scroll. And it doesn't replace anything, so it's just 2008. Like, I don't think it's a brand new in my opinion. And there goes out of the defrost right here. So that's the SENTRY air conditioner. Oh, I can fit inside, but I gotta watch out for that blades over here. So they're in good condition. Here's a Carrier Infinity series. This one is over here, the blade just spin down. And yeah, hope you guys liked the video. Peace out. Peace.